What's going on, guys? It's your boy Working when checking in. Here's the 2021 Toyota Corolla. 2021. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out that radiator and the condenser. First things first, what you want to do, once you get off the bumper and the headlamp, you're gonna take the stop piece off first. It's 4 screws. One goes right there, one goes right there, right there, and right there. Okay. Once you take them 4 screws off, go ahead and loosen up the wires and move the wires out the way. Then you're gonna take this piece off. All right. Let's see over there. You're gonna take that piece off. Now, these are the key points. That is the gas line. If you don't have the machine to take the gas from the freon from outside the car, no worries. Get yourself a wet rag. Wet the rag, really soak the rag, and put the rag over this thing and loosen the bolt. And then the water shall suck the gas up. And then you go in and take out the line out of there. Next thing you do, you see this clamp right there? You loose that clamp and slide this piece off of there. You slide that hose off of there. Take this hose out. Take them 2 screws out of there. Same thing over here. Go ahead and take that and move that clamp and take a screw off of there. Down here. Y'all see down here? Go ahead and get the clip out of there. Loosen this one. Take that loosen this one. Loosen that one as well. There's 2 of them. Same thing over here. Y'all see this hose? Y'all see this hose right here? Go ahead and loose that clamp from right there. Loose that clamp and take off this hose right here. You could either loose this hose from here, or you could loose it from down there. It's up to you. Now, in order to take out the water from this, it's 2 ways to do it. Okay, guys? There's 2 ways. You see this hose right here? You can loose that clamp right there, move that clamp out the way, and move that hose right there, and the water shall comes out really fast. If you want to do it the slow way, it's go down here. The slow way to do it, there is a yellow tab that goes right there. As you can see, I took the tab out already. Just unscrew the tab from right there, and the water will drain through there. And that's how you guys will get this radiator and condenser from out this vehicle. That's the best way to do it. Okay? It's that simple. All right, now y'all stay tuned. One more thing. Once you guys loose that line, y'all see that line down there? There is a special tool to put between there to get the clip out of there, but there's no worry. These clips are not expensive, so just go ahead and break that clip out of there and just get a new one. They're not, I think they call like $5 or $10. Okay, just go ahead and break them shits out of there and get a new one. That's how you do that. take the screws off of this piece right here. Loosen it up. You're gonna squeeze this in and take out the condenser. Squeeze it, push it out. And another one right here. Squeeze it in, push it out. Condenser. Let's take out the radiator. Loose that one, it's two of them. Actually, just loose the black one. Just loose the black one. This hose right here, loose this hose on the top over there or the bottom. It's up to you. That. Then this one, I'm going to loose it from up here. That's how you do that. You lose the black arm cord from there. You lose the hose from there. You take out the hose from there, loose it from there, and it comes out. Okay, guys? That's how you take out the radiator and the condenser. I will show you guys how to change this support. Alright? Stay tuned.